Hey guys, it's Adrienne. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I flipped a $30 product into a $2,000 commission using a completely free system. And you can do the same thing too. So make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get 400 visitors to your page from 100% free traffic. All right, enough with the chit chat. So let's get into it. Now, to make any significant money online, you're going to need a high-ticket affiliate offer, and that's what you're going to get with E1U Live. There are 6 software packages that not only provide internet marketing training, but the company will also create a custom opt-in page for you and even build out an entire website at no extra cost. The lowest package starts at a one-time cost of just $30. And goes up to $2,500. Now, what I noticed happening over the last few weeks is people are starting with the $30 package and then upgrading to Vertex Live. Now, the problem with that is each time you pay to upgrade, you're paying the full price. So when you pay $30 and then upgrade to the next package and pay $110, then upgrade again and pay $275 plus $550 plus $1,100 and then finally $2,500. When you add up all this together, you've spent a total of $4,565. Now, wouldn't it be a lot cheaper to come in at Vertex Live from the get-go and save yourself a little over $2,000? All the packages below Vertex Live are included for free, so you're not losing out on anything. Now, if you're not able to start with the Vertex Live package, then I suggest you choose one that is going to help you make the most commissions so you can get to the $2,500 product as soon as possible. Because when you activate your Vertex Live package, E1U Live is going to give you free traffic as a bonus, and they'll start sending 200 real-time visitors to your affiliate link almost immediately. So if you go over to my description, you'll see 2 steps for you to follow. Step 1 is where you can register. Just make sure that my name is showing on the registration form, because if you buy the Vertex Live package, then I'm also going to buy a traffic pack for you and send an additional 200 visitors from one of my personal traffic vendors that I use all the time. Next, go back to the description and click step 2 to get your free sales funnel. Now, this is going to take you to the capture page. Right now, the page looks like this, but David performs split testing to see which page performs the best. So don't be alarmed if the page is different when you get there. If you do happen to get to this page, then click on the button that says, Yes, I do. Enter your email address, and then click the button to continue. And that's going to take you to the Profits Passport marketing funnel. If you scroll down to income stream number 1, this is where you're going to enter your E1U Live user ID in the text box right here, which is why you need to sign up first for E1U. If you didn't activate the package yet, then you can just click this activate button and it'll take you to the registration page. So on the E1U Live website, after you log in, you can see right up here at the top is your user ID. So if you double click it, to highlight it, then right click and copy, then go back to Profits Passport. You're going to paste in your user ID and then save. Now, after you buy Vertex Live, send me your sales funnel affiliate link right here so that when I buy traffic, I can start sending it to your affiliate link. So between the 200 visitors you're going to get from E1U Live and then the additional 200 visitors you're going to get from me, you're going to be in a great position to start off your business with some free traffic. Now, just to be clear, the free traffic is only when you activate the Vertex Live package as an incentive. Plus, it saves you a ton of money in the long run. You can send me your affiliate link on either Facebook Messenger, or you can text me at the number in the description. All right, guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.